Hi guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to customize our all posts feed as well as our category feed so that you're in control of how you'd like to present your content down to a T. By the way, you can have different layouts for your all post feed and your category feed. And when you select a layout for your category feed, it also affects all your other categories. Anyway, let's get started. So here on the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu on the left, go to Blog Pages, and then go to Blog. Click on your blog element and go to Settings. Here, go to the Layout tab. And here you'll see two tabs, one for your All Posts feed and Category feed. You can set these up individually. So you can have a different layout for your All Posts feed, and you can also have a different layout for your Category feed. But the options are usually the same. So, yeah. Anyway, select a layout that you'd like to use. And below, you can also set your image ratio, select your preferred text alignment, set up your cards per row so you can fit them to screen or set posts per row where you can. Input a value over here of how many posts you'd like to be displayed per row. So you can have 3, for example. Moving on, you can also set its margins, spacing between posts, text side padding, and the number of lines for the title. For the post loading, so how should posts load on your feed? You can select infinite scroll or pagination of up to 100 pages. And then you can also set how many posts per scroll you'd like by inputting a value here or by adjusting this slider. Once you're done working on your all posts feed, you can then work on your category feed the same way. So feel free to configure these settings over here and select the layout you prefer. Once you're done, you can close this window and don't forget to hit publish so that the changes you've made will also be reflected on your live site. And basically, that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.